Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm very happy because I want to practice my technical English with you. I'm a software developer, and because of that, I have to be able to explain technical things to people, complex concepts. And because of that, I've been working on an app. This is a side project for me. And actually, this app it is gonna help me to improve my English. It is about flashcards, and for me, it's very important. It is a side project, and I'm using dependency injection. Dependency injection is a technique that you can use to build reusable and well organized apps, and it has many benefits. I hadn't used dependency injection before I started to build this app, and since then I've been noticing the benefits of using dependency injection. I have a module which is the login module, and many iOS apps have this login module, which is very common among iOS apps. And I created a diagram to show you how this module works on my app. And while I do that, I can tell you about the benefits of using dependency injection, and I'm pretty sure you will be shocked by the benefits as I am right now. So let me show you. Okay guys, this is the diagram that I created to show you how I organized my app. As you can see here, I have 3 layers. The first one is the user interaction layer, which consists of a view. The user is gonna use the view to interact with my app, and the view communicates with my module. Inside my module, I have implemented all the logic that I need, all the logic needed by my login module, and then my module communicates or fetches information from my services. This is my last layer. I have 2 services in this module. The first one is the REST API, and the second one is the storage. I'm gonna use the storage to show you the benefits of dependency injection. Dependency injection allows me to have different implementations of my storage, and also allows me to change the implementation of my storage easily without breaking my code. If I want to change the implementation of my storage, I can do it easily. I can use SQLite if I want. I can use user defaults, or I can use core data. And I can do that without breaking my code. No changes in my logic, no changes in my user interaction. No problem here, no problem here, and also no problem here in my storage, because the changes are very easy to do. So I'm going to show you an example with code. Let me show you my code. Let me 1 minute. Okay, this is the implementation for my session service. As you can see here, I'm using user defaults to save and to store information, the user's information. And this class is implementing the session service protocol. This protocol has 2 methods. Save session, which basically saves information, and get session, which fetches information from the user. And inside the class, I have implemented the code for both methods, and I want to show you that I can create another class which implements the same protocol, but in a different way. For example, I can create a class, let's say session service SQLite, as we saw in my diagram, and it is gonna implement the session service protocol, because this is where the magic happens, and I'm going to implement the methods. For now, just to keep it simple, I'm going to return true in this method. And then in the second method, I'm going to return nil, because this method allows me to return nil. That's it. I have a different class which implements the same method, the same protocol, but in a different way. I have the same methods, but with different code inside. And then we can go even further by creating a third object which implements the same protocol in a different way. For example, I can have class, session, service, let's say core data. I have to implement the protocol and the methods as well. Fix. And just for you to see the difference, I'm going to write different code here. I'm going to return true, and then here I'm going to return user data struct with fake data. Mexican. Mate logged in true. Just like that. That simple, that easy. I have 3 different implementations for my storage service, and I can use them whenever I want. For example, right now I'm using this implementation in my code. I'm going to look for it. I'm going to look up for it, and I am using it here. But I can change it if I want. For example, session, service, SQLite. Boom, everything is fine. And what happens if I want to use core data? I can do it. I can do it easily. Session, service, core data. And boom, everything is fine. That's amazing, and I'm going to leave it just like before. Session service, and as you can see, the changes are very small. I just have to worry about creating the proper implementations, and that's all. The changes are minimal. That's one of the huge advantages of dependency injection. Hey mates, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. I know that I talked a lot about code here and there, but this is something that I really need to do. This is something that I must do. So thanks for watching, and see you soon.